Boom, what is up, guys? Man, I know it's been a long time. I am so sorry. I have been super busy trying to get my life organized again. We are here in beautiful Tennessee. It's about 55 degrees, something like that. Check it out. Pool's covered for the winter. We didn't do that in Florida. I'm not in Florida. Okay, what are we doing today? Why do I got you out on this bright, early, beautiful morning? That's right, guys. Fixed the fire up the grill. We're cooking a brisket, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. It's been a while since I've done a brisket, so I figured why not do it when it's nice and cold outside. That's right there, one of the new toys for the Sweet Outdoors, along with this. Yes, loving it up here so far. Started the new job last week. Well, started the new shift work last week. As you know, I worked shift work for many years, and now that I'm moved up here, we're starting over. So did my orientation and started my first shift. Just got done with it yesterday, as a matter of fact. Midnight shift, of course, and I actually enjoy the midnight shift. It's not too bad. Just got to get used to it again. So let me get this grill ready, and we'll fire it up. Now we're gonna cook us a brisket today, guys. Stick around. All right, guys, there she is, seasoned up. Some brown sugar, a little secret dry rub that I'm not really gonna tell anybody about. And of course we cook fat side up, because fat's where it's at, guys. Oh yeah, getting it ready. Getting it ready. Some good old oak wood. I tell you, look at that, guys. Is that beautiful or what? We got a feeder. I don't know if you see it. It's right there. There's a feeder out there. We've got deer and turkey that come in there. All back in there. All back in there. There's deer everywhere up here, guys. Usually they're up along that ridge right there. They're not out this morning. It is hunting season though right now, so there's probably people out hunting. But I got a few pictures I'll throw in there and let you check them out. Stick around, guys. Alright, guys, this is the Axis 550, our new side-by-side. We picked this little bad boy up at Lowe's. It is 4-wheel drive. It's got the dump bed, got the hitch there. That's for hauling the trash cans off. Got the dump bed. This thing has lights, turn signals, brake lights, mirrors. It is street ready. Bluetooth AM FM stereo, front and rear cameras. It's got the winch on the front. I believe it's 3,500 pounds. I believe. I could be wrong. I'd have to check. Top speed is about 45. I've had it up to 50 going downhill. But other than that, it's a nice little piece of equipment for the farm here. Had to install a little light so that we could see in the cab at night. USB port for your cell phone, 12 volt over there, 4-wheel drive switch, lock and differential, hazards, winch in and out, plus it does have a remote for the winch. Maybe later on we'll take her for a spin and y'all can check it out. But we got it to haul around firewood and clean up around all this. haul garbage cans off because they go way out there. And also to ride around on hunting property. So, alright guys, stick around. You ready? Look at that bad boy.
Yeah.
Grill's nice and hot. I like to start it out nice and hot. Put it on there, uncovered. Smoke it like that for a couple hours. Let it get all them juices, you know, all that fat will soak down in there, all that seasoning, all that smoke flavor. Take it out, cover it with aluminum foil. Put my little secret ingredients in that I'll let y'all know about. Get this bad boy cooking. Stick around.
No.
Oh, good Lord.
Yeah.
All right. It's been a couple hours. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit of secret ingredient. And then we will cover with aluminum foil and let it cook some more. Time out. A little bit of apple juice. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful.
Beautiful. We'll be back.
Oh yeah, look at that, boys. Girls. Lovely brisket. Just about ready to eat.